Hi everyone, and welcome back to Bodyboard Hacks, where we try and deconstruct all things bodyboarding so that you get more out of your riding. Today we're really lucky. Once again we're joined by Sophie Leathers, and she's going to take us through some skincare tips for before and after your surfing so that your skin maintains its beautiful shine. Sophie.
So the first tip is putting normal sunscreen on. Put normal sunscreen on your face, down on your neck as well, to avoid that horrendous wetsuit tan we all get. Put that on first. Then Surf Mud's a really good brand. It always seems to stay on for hours in the surf, so I put that on quite thick everywhere, but the sunscreen helps to spread it out a bit, because sometimes, especially in the winter, that gets really thick and it's hard to spread, and if it's just pumping out there you just want to go. So the sunscreen really helps to put that on. When you get out, just got to make sure that you do take it off to stop yourself getting blackheads and leaving it on. So I always carry wet wipes with me. You can get them from like Kmart for $1.50 or Woolies for like $2. Literally takes all the surf mud off. Looks fantastic. Make sure you get it off right around your nose, because that's one spot where it will stick and it is hard to get. Once you've got it all off, or majority of off, the other thing I like to do is carry a small container of moisturiser and just put that on underneath to stop your face drying out. But yeah, that's my tip.
So there you have it, guys. Tips for before and after you surf so that your skin stays radiant and shiny. Thank you very much, Sophie, and we hope you enjoyed this bodyboard hack, and we look forward to seeing you next time.
I mumbled a little bit.
That's alright, that was great. Let's have a look.